I am the spirit of peace and happiness. Joining you tonight, let the wisdom of Confucius lightens our minds tonight to do good to others, to be kind to others, and never hurt others. Spirit of the Lord, will you promise to do good to others? Spirit, Spirit of the South, will you promise me to be kind to others? Spirit of the East, will you promise me not to hurt your fellow sculptors? Spirit of the West, will you promise me to be a friend to everyone?
Ow! Ow! Ow!
In the beginning, God created the sun, the moon, and the stars. But he was not satisfied. He created a man by his own image and likeness. Lord, we beseech thy in mercy to give us life. Tonight, we have the reason for coming together. Tonight, we will start to discover our abilities and skills to build a better place for you and me.
We need light! 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 This light represents the spirit of scouting. He who lights on this torch will lighten the whole world. This light represents the first part of the scout oath. On my honor, I will do my best to do my duty to God and my country, the Republic of the Philippines. This light represents the second point of the scout oath, to help other people at all times. This light represents the third point of the scout oath, to keep myself physically strong, mentally awake, and morally straight.
I am the light of the world. Who dwells in me, and in him will receive light. The Father in heaven wanted you to be the light of the world. Bring in the light!
Silam, ilam, ilam, silam, ilam braille, ilam braille. Dah, ilam kena, dah.
Come, come, light of the fire. Come, come, joy of the rain.
Come, light the fire. Come, join the rain. Come, sing the sign. What of the same, music to sing. Come, light of the fire. Come, join the rain. Come, join the sign. Stories to tell, music to sing. Come, light of the fire. Come, join in the rain. Come, join the sun. Music to say, music to sing. Come.
Stories to tell, music to sing.
Compass burning, releasing.
Compass burning, compass burning. Draw nearer, draw nearer. In the glory, in the glory. Come sing and be merry.
That's the key.
Compass burning, compass burning.
Hindi ko na nipikas.
Draw nearer, in the glory Music alone shall live. Music alone shall live. Music alone shall live. Never shall die. All things shall perish from under the sky. Music alone shall live. Music alone shall live. Music alone shall live. Never shall die.
Now ready, sing.
The more we get together, the more we get together, the happier are we. For your friends and my friends and your friends and my friends, the more we get together, the more we get together, the happier are we.
Honorable Campfire Chief, may I present to you the scroll of tonight's campfire.
As the campfire chief, I have the right to stop any representation that would discriminate political figure, religious organizations, and ban any obscene and indecent words. By the power vested in me, I hereby appoint you as the MC Ma'am Ella of tonight's campfire.
Scouters, handa,